Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AP Physics 1 in a day. Begin by identifying the most heavily weighted units, such as kinematics, dynamics, and energy. Dedicate about 2/3 of your study time to these core areas. Use a reliable AP Physics 1 review book or an online course that offers concise explanations. Focus on conceptual understanding over rote memorization to build a strong foundation quickly. Next, dive into the core concepts. Spend significant time on Newton's three laws of motion, understanding how forces interact and cause acceleration. Then, move to conservation laws, particularly energy and momentum, which are crucial for many problems. Utilize resources like Khan Academy or College Board's official practice questions. These platforms offer clear explanations and examples to solidify your understanding in a short time frame. Now it's time for practice. Tackle a variety of multiple-choice questions to quickly assess your conceptual understanding across different topics. Then, attempt a few free response questions, focusing on setting up the problem and showing your work clearly. Don't just solve. Analyze the solutions to learn from your mistakes and reinforce correct approaches. This active learning is vital for rapid improvement. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep before your study day to maximize retention. Stay hydrated and take short, 5-minute breaks every hour to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and energized. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.